Good morning. It's Tim here. Had to do some garage sales this morning, and I'll let you know when I get what I get when I get back, and see you then.
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Stuff out here, stuff inside.
Oh, inside too?
It's sort of separate. I mean,
Okay, that's cool.
Stuff online, and they're online. So, where you get charged, stuff made online. So, yeah, like $1.25, and it's only $1.25. I don't want to pay you. I don't want to pay
you to pay my bill.
Right, I don't want to pay extra because I'm paying you, not paying my normal payment. So, I go online, I gotta hurry up and pay them online because now, by the time I get my letter, I don't pay, I'm ready. So, I got to drive back and give them another, again. The next month is good. After that, I can do it.
But see, now, I don't know if you remember that Robert Gillis, he has his own, I think it's called, I don't even know. He has his own place in the that's where I got my home. Which one is the one that's non-profit that you have to pay a membership?
$1. Okay. Do that.
there's a lot of stuff inside too.
Yeah. Do I pay separate for
Yeah.
sitting in
Sorry.
just making sure. I didn't want to run it. I didn't,
Everything outside, and they got the inside.
They're the inside, we're the outside.
okay.
We're just trying to get rid of everything, because they're gonna be getting rid of this place.
Yeah. Yeah, I went to the one.
Down,
Down there. I went there yesterday, and they said you were going to have one here today.
Yeah.
So I figured I'd.
Nice
they
stuff.
got a lot of stuff.
Yeah, I bought a few things from them yesterday.
Yeah. That rain hurt her yesterday down there.
Yeah, it was raining when I got
When you
there,
got there.
and they had already moved a bunch of stuff around.
Yeah,
It was.
we got stuff wet out
Yeah.
here. In the truck where we could get it under the chair.
Right, and they talk about bundling, bundling.
All the shoes are $1.
I used to say it.
I have to stop thinking about what I'm about to say, because I have zero sleep, and I'm not just been up every day like I do. But, yeah. But,
You gotta go to bed last night? She didn't sleep. She goes to sleep about 3 o'clock in the morning.
Well, you're
That's
gonna
what
do
you do.
that.
Even when you're working?
Like that Houston
We're
rock.
working, we're ready. We're up
I don't go to bed till
6:45, 7.
in the morning.
I'm a Texas Ranger.
So
Yes.
Larry, that was that Uncle
Here's the thing,
This
about my third or fourth day off, I revert back.
No, I don't. That was in my closet, and Lord, I don't know.
No idea where it came from.
I have no history of that.
Yeah. I was going to ask you if you knew what exactly it was.
No,
It's
I do not.
like it's older, but
Yeah, it's probably 50 years old at least.
yeah. How much you want for it?
50 cents.
I'll take it.
we're just trying to get rid of it.
Yeah.
Where'd you go?
Yeah.
He trying to see, I was talking to Jody, because he said he got like $1,200 something like that.
He probably has a lot because he comes to work.
Yeah. And he said, I don't know if they let me cash that out early for retirement.
They're going to, his sick time, yeah, it's gonna go towards service credit.
He said he didn't know. I said, well, they don't, Tony. I said, you better go talk to him. I said,
How much are these?
Oh, yes.
$2.
$2.
If he doesn't, he better go to take it off.
That's what I said. I'd go to Burnaby.
I'll get 'em.
What about your vacation?
Did I need a hair wrap? One of this. Oh, I see, well, yeah. And then she reads.
Yeah. Come here, atrás.
You needed oh yeah, how much is that hat, to put your hats?
$5.
$5? I'm just gonna take this.
Okay. All right.
This is $5, right?
Yes, ma'am.
If it's blue, my curtains are blue.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna take that.
All right.
Do you know if this player works down here?
Yes, it does.
How much do you want for it?
$5.
You don't know where the remote is, do you?
There's a whole bunch of remotes right back
In
in
the
there.
back? Okay, I'll look around
So
for it.
if you get the model off of it and go out here and look at those remotes.
Yeah. That's a little strange. Okay, so we're back home now. Getting hot out here already. It was hot at that last garage sale inside that house. Hopefully all my footage came out on that. But we had a couple of other things we had to end up going to. Sister-in-law was stranded. We had to give her a ride and a couple other little odds and ends. So it didn't quite go as many as I wanted to. We did make a couple of garage sales though. And I did get a couple of things, and I'll show you what I got. Okay, so one of the first sales I went to, I just the only thing I got. It was 25 cents. I went ahead and bought it for 25 cents. And went to a couple of other ones. I didn't really get anything else. Wasn't finding a whole lot today. I got these at the last one I went to. It was an outside and inside, and the inside was pretty much an abandoned house. I think they've been using it for storage for the last several years. But these are Red Wings, but they're in really, really rough shape. I don't even know if they were worth buying. They were only a couple of dollars though. They were $2, so I went ahead and bought them. They might have been a mistake, but there they are. Also there I got this. I don't know, I've sold something similar. It went on the back one time before. It was worth quite a bit, but I think it was probably a better version of it. It is a Misty Mate pump. Brand new, never been used. It looks like the package, the instructions have seen better days. They've got a little bit of water damage. Yeah, it's all there though, and the rest of it looks okay. Looks like they had it stored in a barn though or something, but everything inside looks good. So hopefully that's still good. Also got this, the Rolodex. I always pick up Rolodexes. They don't always sell for a whole lot of money, but they almost always sell. Especially the covered ones though. The big metal ones and everything, they usually sell really good. And this has all the cards in it, which that's a bonus. Looks in pretty good shape. It's a VIP 24C with a lid. It's got minor scratches on it, but it should be alright. And move that out of the way. Oh. And the last thing I got is this thing. And the guy didn't have any clue about it. It does have some little holes in it, but it looks really old. So I'm not sure if that matters or not. The guy sold it to me for 50 cents. Oh, the Rolodex was $1. These were $2. This was $1. And this was 50 cents. Don't know why this was cheaper than most everything else, but I don't know if that stands for Air Force or something maybe. I don't know. And it's got a little eagle patch up there. It looks pretty old. The guy said he thought it was probably 50 years old, but he had no clue where it came from. The tag doesn't really give much away. 15-32. Oh, it's coming apart. I did see some more tags down here, but they look more like, oh, there's like a stamp number on the inside. It's really hard to see though. These look almost like dry cleaning tags. But anyway, yeah, there's one on the other side too. But it also has the pants with it. I didn't see anything really on here besides the size and some writing. So yeah, I'll have to look into these a little bit more. But some sort of old military uniform, which I usually pick up military stuff. It's one of the few things I do buy in clothes, and it usually sells for something. Yeah, they're pretty dirty too. I don't know. It's worth just looking it up to figure out what it's all about. And that is about it. Not much of a haul today. Didn't go to too much stuff, but yeah, that's it. Nothing in there either. All right, well, hopefully the next haul will be bigger. But it's not too bad. I have plenty of stuff to list at the moment anyway, so it's just nice getting out and finding a few things now and then anyway. So that's everything for today. I will see y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.